So okay guys, welcome back to this web design tutorial. So now that we have set up our website, we have installed a theme using Astra plugin. Now let's see how we can start editing the content of the website. Now to visit your website, you already know the link, but to visit the dashboard, I told you put in your domain name, that's your URL/wp-admin, and anytime you do that, if you're not logged in before, you will have to enter your credentials. So let me pause this. So if your details are correct, it's going to take you straight up to your dashboard, and you can actually start visiting your websites from your dashboard without necessarily opening a new tab. Just come to this point. That's the name of your website. You know, when we were installing it, then we used my blog, which was default name. My blog was default name, so we used my blog. Now you can always visit your site, and I would like to open this on a new tab, so I just right click on this visit site, right click, and then open link in new tab. So now this is what my website looks like. Okay, now I can be making edits on the dashboard, and then I will also look at the update, how the update is taking effect on my on the website. So the first thing I want you to do is to go to appearance, and here you will see customize. Before we do that, let's go to settings. So go to settings, let's go to permalinks, and then permalinks is just showing you how the link for your post, how it's going to look like. Sometimes it might not be set properly. Now for search engine optimization, that's for SEO, and for your website to look kind of professional, it's better you use day and name, right? Better you use post name, rather. It's better you use post name, so that whatever link, your link is going to look like this. That's your domain name / the name of that post. Okay, this is the best, so you select this, and then we'll save changes for that. Then again, what can we do? I think that's permalinks. Let's go to general. Now we can customize our site title here. Before it was my blog, so we can change it to yes, we are doing something for fluffy fifi, or fifi fluffy. Sorry for the tongue twisting. Fifi fluffy touch. Tagline is not really that important. I wouldn't say it's not important, but it's not compulsory. It's not compulsory, but it's also cool. It's just a very short description of your website, so you can just say best beauty palace, beauty shop, let's put it that way. I think this the other time was Fifi's beauty palace. Sorry for the mix up in names. I'm not really good with remembering names. So membership, we are not registering yet, so just leave that for now. Language is set to English United States. If you are not working with and if your audience are not English, you can select other audiences here. Probably if you are designing with another designing for another, maybe your target audience, they are in another country, but we are going to leave it at English United States. Time zone is also important, especially when you are working with you are considering SEO, okay, when people are making searches for things that are related to their locality, it's better you select a time zone that is related to where you are. So we can look for Nigeria. I think for Nigeria is going to be Lagos. So let's look for Africa, either Lagos or Abuja. Abuja is not here, so we should get Lagos. Yes, this is Lagos. And then your date format, you can leave it as it is, and then time format also like this. I think this is cool. Or you can also make it capital like this, or if you're someone like me, you can make it 24 hours, but I think this is okay. We start on Monday, then we save changes. Right, so what again can we do with settings? Reading is not really that important. It's only when you want to make your website to be a blog, that is when you have to do all of this. Okay, that's when you want to do all of this, but for now we leave it. If you want to make it to be a blog, you change this to your latest posts. So automatically, as you are making edits to your post, it's going to be appearing at the top. The last edit or last post you make is going to appear at the top. So we are not creating a blog, we are creating a website. This is how you select a static page, and the home page is home. Post page, we leave it as it is. We don't really need to talk all of this, so I'm not going to save it. Right, I'm not going to save any of this. Discussion tree is also for blogs. That's when you want to probably allow people to comment when you make blog posts. Okay, so you can do all the configurations here. If you want to select settings for comment author must fill out name and email. If you don't want to make that compulsory, you can check this. Okay, users must be registered and logged in to comment. If you want to make users to be able to start registering, but I wouldn't really suggest this, because the more people register on your website, the more space it takes. So if you are not using if the bandwidth and the web space is not that much, it's better you leave all of this. That's for those who wants to make their website to be a blog, right? And let me quickly say there are two different blogs and website are a little bit different. Okay, a blog is a website, but a website is not a blog. This is what I mean. Website, you know what website is normally, is just like a directory where people can view whatever you post online, right? So but a blog is just a website that make posts, or that present posts in a chronological order. That means in the order in which they have been posted. So if you make a post 3 o'clock and you make another post 6 o'clock, the post that you made 6 o'clock is going to be at the top, while the one you made at 3 o'clock is going to be beneath. So that's the major difference between a blog and a website. So you can also do comment moderation. So for example, if you don't want links to be on your comments, so that people will not be spamming it and be promoting their own links through that, you can select that here. Maybe just restrict them to one link or no link at all. And then if there are some words that you want to mark as probably profane words, okay, you can set all of that here. You can set those words, all those vulgar words, or if there's a particular IP you want to block, you can set all of that here. All right. So if there are some words that you really want to target, you can do that here too. And then avatar, you can select avatar, the default avatars. If people have not made their if people are not creating accounts now, but if they create accounts, definitely they should be able to add their picture. But if not, you can select any of these default avatar, and when you're done, you click on save changes. But I'm not going to do that because I am not I didn't change anything here, right? The media, these are just the default media settings, like your images, videos and the rest. Okay, Then we work with permalinks. Privacy is when you want to do privacy settings. Okay, probably want to create a new privacy policy page. By default, the most abstract teams, they come with their own privacy policy pages, and you can always edit those ones. Right, so I'm not going to touch any of this now. Now that we've done that, let's go back to appearance and let's go to customize. So before we customize, let's try to reload this and see the now, if you notice before, the title here was what? My blog. But now you can see Fifi's Fluffy's Palace, as well as the tagline, which is best beauty shop. So you can do something that is more descriptive than that, but don't make it to be too long. Make sure it's descriptive and it actually carries keywords, words that are related to what your website is doing. So let me go back to customizing page. Let me see the time. Oh my goodness, I've exceeded the time, so I'm going to stop this now, and then we continue in the next video.